County 124th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Alfonso Charles presiding.
Please be seated. This is arrest warrant numbers AW-3-09-2025, -124-1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. State of Texas versus Traveon Woodberry Jr. State ready to proceed in each case?
State's ready, Your Honor.
Are you Mr. Woodberry?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Woodberry, you stand charged with arrest warrants for the following offenses: aggravated assault against a public servant, burglary of a vehicle, unlawful carrying of a weapon, theft of a firearm, evading arrest or detention causing serious bodily injury, and burglary of a vehicle. Do you understand what you're charged with in all 6 cases?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to go over certain rights that you have in each of these cases. You have the right to hire a lawyer and have him or her present prior to and during an interview or questioning by peace officers or attorneys representing the state. If you think you're too poor to afford an attorney, you have the right to request the appointment of a lawyer, and you may have reasonable time and opportunity to consult with your lawyer. If you think you're too poor to hire a lawyer and you're in jail, then pretrial services will come to see you to help you fill out the application for a court-appointed attorney. If you think you're too poor to hire a lawyer and you make bond, then you would need to report to pretrial services offices, and I will give you their address and phone number on all of these documents. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make any statement at all, and any statement you do make may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to stop any interview and questioning at any time, and since these cases are not indicted or the felonies, you have the right to an examining trial. Do you understand the rights I've read you?
Yes, sir.
Are you going to hire your own attorney or request a court-appointed lawyer?
Hire.
You're going to hire your own attorney?
I got a lawyer coming from California. So
You got what?
I got a lawyer coming.
All right. So this time you're not requesting court-appointed counsel. The next step is for us to set your bail on each of these cases and also any conditions of bond. What says the state on the amount of bails in each of the cases?
Just based on the offense, who all's involved, the statement given for the aggravated assault, we're asking for $500,000. For the UCW and the theft of firearm, and the evading arrest causing serious bodily injury, we're asking for $100,000 each, and then $50,000 on the other 2.
On the BOV and
Yes, sir.
the 2 BOVs?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Woodbury, do you have anything to say on the amounts I should set your bails at?
Can you repeat that?
Do you have anything to say on the amount I should set your bail at in each of these cases? Okay. Under the facts and circumstances, seeing that this court was also the one that signed the affidavit or the arrest warrants, the court is familiar with the allegations.
Can I
Yes, sir?
can I request a payment like my bail?
That would be up to the bondsman if you were to make bond. If you want to make these bails on yourself, let a bondsman, you'd have to post whatever I set them at. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Under the circumstances and the allegations contained in the affidavits, I'm going to set the bond on the aggravated assault against the public servant at $500,000. I'm going to set bond on the 2 burglary of the vehicles as requested at $50,000. And on the unlawful carrying of a weapon, the theft of a firearm, and the evading arrest or detention causing serious bodily injury, I'll set those all at $100,000. Also, I will condition your bond that if you were to make bond, you will not be released until an electronic monitor is placed on your ankle. Secondly, upon your release, you will report immediately to pretrial services and follow all their rules and conditions. That will include you are not to own or possess a firearm. I will also put a curfew on you, and you are not to use any illegal drugs or alcohol. And further, you are not to commit any new offenses. You understand all that? All right. Let me fill these out, and then I'll have you sign these. I'm going to ask you to sign each of these. These are not admissions of your guilt. They state you understand what you're charged with in each case, the rights I've read you, what I've set your bails at, and that you are not requesting court-appointed counsel in these cases. I'll get your conditions of bond done here in a second. Have them sign that one too.